This is Becky from Create It Studio Architects. In today's video, we will take you on a journey to turn your self-built daydreams into a reality. We'll guide you step by step, from making the decision to design and building your own home, all the way to opening your front door. So, let's dive in. Have you ever imagined your perfect house, a place that truly embodies your tastes and personality? Well, in this video, we will show you how to bring those dreams to life. Step 1. Making the decision to build your own home. Building your own home can be a rewarding but challenging experience. Take your time to consider the reasons behind your decision. Do you want a bespoke living space tailored to your needs and aspirations? Or maybe you want to save money by building your own home. Whatever your motivation, this step is crucial in setting the foundation for your journey. Step 2. Setting your budget. It's important to have a clear idea of how much you can realistically spend. Remember, building projects often go over budget. So, determine what you would like to spend, what you are willing to spend, and what you can spend if necessary. Building your own home should be an adventure, but never go broke in the process. Consider seeking a self-build mortgage or exploring the government's Help to Build scheme for financial support. Step 3. Finding a site. This step can be challenging, as suitable plots of land may not always be readily available. Be patient and realistic about your budget. You can explore affordable plots in England, consider subdividing land from your family's plot, or register your interest with your local council. Joining a self-build community or exploring development sites may also offer exciting opportunities for building your dream home. Step 4. Getting inspiration. Now that you have a plot and budget in mind, it's time to get inspired. Explore the local architecture in the area where you plan to build. Take walks or drives around the neighborhood to get a sense of the style and features you like. Additionally, use online platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to discover exciting designs and architecture practices that align with your vision. Step 5. Setting the project brief. Before hiring anyone, it's essential to be clear about what you want. Consider the number and types of rooms, the house's positioning in relation to the road, your garden requirements, preferred interior and exterior styles, budget, and timeline for construction. Being clear about your preferences will make it easier for professionals to provide accurate quotes and understand your vision. Step 6. Finding an architect. Finding an architect who understands your vision is crucial. Look for architects with a flexible approach and a strong understanding of your needs. Take the time to get to know potential architects and ensure they align with your goals. Remember, it's a two-way partnership, and the architect needs to choose to work with you as well. Step 7. Getting planning permission for your home. This step is crucial but can also be nerve-wracking. Be fully prepared and seek the best possible help to navigate the process. It's important to understand when to ask for pre-application advice and ensure you have all the necessary documents in place. Step 8. Getting building regulations approval. Once you have planning consent, you'll need to deal with planning conditions and obtain approval from building control. This ensures that your home meets building regulations for safety, energy efficiency, and accessibility. Step 9. Finding the right building contractor. Choosing the right construction contractor is vital. Seek recommendations from your architect and ensure the builder aligns with the design requirements of your home. Take your time with this decision and don't rush into selecting a builder. Step 10. Construction. Building your dream home. Construction is the culmination of your efforts. Depending on your level of expertise, you may choose to be hands-on or hire professionals for the job. Consider hiring a qualified professional to conduct construction inspections to ensure everything is on course. And there you have it. You're now ready to embark on the journey of building your dream home. We hope this step-by-step guide has provided valuable insights and inspiration for your self-build project. If you're excited to start your self-build journey, get in touch with us. We're here to help you turn your aspirations into architectural masterpieces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on building and design. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Create It Studio Architects. Get your project started today.